Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. We are very happy to have you here with us today. My name is Jessica, and I'm here with my friend Robert. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that affects everyone's life in some way: money. Money is something we use every day, but we don't always stop to think about what it really means.
Hi, everyone. I'm Robert, and I'm excited about this conversation. Money can create opportunities, comfort, and security, but it can also create stress and pressure. Some people see money as the most important thing in life, while others say it doesn't matter. Today, we want to explore both sides in a simple and honest way.
For many people, money represents safety. When you have enough money to pay your bills, buy food, and take care of your needs, you feel calmer. Financial stability can reduce anxiety and give you peace of mind. That is why so many people work hard every day. They want security for themselves and their families.
Yes, and there is nothing wrong with wanting stability. The problem starts when money becomes the only focus. If someone believes that happiness depends only on how much they earn, they may feel empty even after reaching financial success. Money can solve practical problems, but it cannot solve emotional ones.
I think money is a tool. A tool can be used for good or bad purposes. With money, you can invest in education, start a business, travel, or help other people. But if someone uses money only to show status or impress others, it can create comparison and competition.
That's very true. Sometimes people measure their value by their income. They think, if I earn more, I am more important. But our value as human beings is not defined by numbers in a bank account. Character, kindness, and integrity are much more important.
Another interesting point is how money influences our decisions. Many career choices are connected to salary. Sometimes people choose jobs they don't enjoy because the pay is higher. Of course, responsibility is important, but we also need to think about satisfaction and balance.
Exactly. If you earn a lot of money but feel unhappy every day, you may start questioning your choices. Financial success without emotional well-being can feel incomplete. True success usually includes both financial stability and personal fulfillment.
I also believe that financial education is essential. Many people work hard but don't learn how to manage money well. Managing money means knowing how to save, invest, and spend wisely. Without knowledge, even a high income can disappear quickly.
Yes, and good financial habits are built over time. Saving a small amount regularly can make a big difference in the future. Discipline is more powerful than luck. When you control your money, you feel more confident about your future.
Another aspect of money is generosity. When you have enough, you can support others. Helping family members, donating to causes, or supporting community projects can bring a sense of purpose. Sharing resources can make wealth more meaningful.
I agree. Sometimes giving creates more happiness than spending on yourself. When you see that your money helps someone improve their life, you feel a deeper satisfaction. It reminds us that money is not only for personal comfort, but also for positive impact.
At the same time, we should not feel guilty for wanting financial growth. Ambition is not a bad thing. Wanting to improve your life and create better opportunities is natural. The key is balance and healthy motivation.
That balance is very important. If money controls your emotions, it can create stress and fear. But if you see money as a resource, not as your identity, you maintain emotional freedom. You work for money, but money does not control your self-worth.
In the end, money is powerful, but it is not everything. It can open doors, but it cannot buy love, real friendship, or inner peace. Those things are built through relationships and personal growth.
Maybe the best mindset is to respect money, manage it wisely, and not let it define who we are. Financial responsibility combined with strong values creates a stable and meaningful life.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. We hope this conversation helped you reflect on your relationship with money. If you enjoyed this podcast and want more thoughtful discussions in simple English, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our community. See you in the next episode.